these plant-based meats are highly processed. I think traditional Indian cuisine is way to go, and it is better than the Western cuisine. The Western people should learn from us what's the right way of eating using all the staples that we grow in our country. There's a new trend going on. Then all these corporates, whenever there is an opportunity, they know that plant-based diet is beneficial for health, plant-based diet is good for lifestyle diseases. So they are coming out, okay, let's make plant-based meat. But again, I agree with you that these plant-based meats are highly processed. And that's why our recommendation is that we don't say that, okay, consume as much as you want. We say minimally processed food. When our recommendation is minimally processed food, that means we are not recommending plant-based meat. What we are recommending is simple ingredients that are available in your kitchen, that are available in the local sabzi wala near your house, where you can buy grains, fruits, legumes and vegetables. And we are good in our kitchen. Just use our spices and herbs in our food, minimally added oils, very less oil, saute the onions in water if needed, and make your food. And simple ingredients. You don't have to go for packaged meats, for fancy products like Beyond Burgers or anything. You can just have our lentils and our traditional Indian cuisine. I think traditional Indian cuisine is way to go, and it is better than the Western cuisine. And the biggest problem in our country is happening is that we have given our traditional way of eating and we have adopted the Western lifestyle. I would say the Western people should learn from us what's the right way of eating using all the staples that we grow in our country, and be proud of our heritage. We don't have to adopt foreign lifestyle.